Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Saturday walk through our garden. You can see everything, a lot of stuff getting ready to harvest. We cleared out all our bok choy and daikon. We're saving the seeds, so that bed should be ready to plant. We let it rest for a few weeks. Our Mizuna is still doing well. This one we're gonna plant. Our lettuce, much of the lettuce is gonna come out. Some Mizuna went to seed. Some seeds to get there. So let's see how our strawberries are doing. Oh, we have some strawberries to pick. Our green onion seed should be coming out pretty soon. Our garlic's not doing very well. Oh, that's interesting. What is that? Huh. I thought that was our pepper plant, but there's something growing with all those berries. No idea what that is. Okay, so that Chinese lettuce there, I'm gonna let go to seed so we have more seeds because we don't have that. Oh, is that a potato that came out? I think our potatoes are coming out. Amazing. That's our corn. So what we did the other weekend was we shredded up some palm fronds from our shredder. So we'll cover this with mulch. That's our muffler from our shredder, which broke. We've got to get another one. But over time we'll cover this so it's much easier to walk on. Gonna do this area this weekend, hopefully. Uh-oh. Something happened. What happened? Our thing collapsed. Oh, bummers. Must be the weight. Well, I'm gonna need another person to help me with this one. Oh, that sucks. Well, we're gonna have to put this back together. Guess I didn't build it as sturdy as I should have, but just the weight of all that probably collapsed it or just pulled it right out of the ground. What a bummer. Okay, hopefully we get some seeds here pretty soon. Lots of Chinese lettuce to harvest. Our chayote is growing pretty well. Our eggplant's doing really well. Carrots. Our pots, nothing came up. That's not good. Some bell peppers to harvest. That'll be good. Our macadamia nut transplants are doing well. Ooh, some big red lettuce. Harvest some of that. Lots of more lettuce to harvest. Our zucchini plant, we're getting zucchini flowers. Somebody said they cooked the flowers. I gotta try that one day. Our flower bed's okay. Let's see if, oh yes. Our cucumbers sprouted. And our tomatoes are coming up. Great, great. Oh, this is totally a bummer. So over here, these are tomatoes that are growing wild. I guess the previous owner had them growing, and once we started clearing out the ground and watering, it sprouted. So maybe I have some tomatoes over here as well. I'll probably clean out that back area here. Looks like it's doing pretty well. Kind of disappointed that nothing sprouted here, because one of them are lettuce. So I think I'm gonna have to plant the lettuce in the ground. Well, we'll do that this weekend. Well, it's time to get to work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.